get this light from Amazon. Hollywood curl. Struggle in your 20s. All right, guys, we are headed to the dog park. Let me show you my outfit. I am wearing this black, like oversized linen shirt from ASOS. These shorts are from Blink NYC. I'm wearing these shoes. These are like my favorite summer shoes right now. They're so good for walking in the city because they're comfortable. Then I put my little pup in this bag and carry him to the park. I'm wearing these sunnies they're from ASOS from like a while ago, but I'll try to find like a good dupe or something. But yes, we are headed to the park. Hello guys, happy Wednesday. I'm gonna be late. I'm running out to lunch. We're going to Los Tacos Numero Uno. Delicious lunch place. I'm just turning on some YouTube for Brooks to watch while I'm gone because I don't like to leave him in the dark. But let me show you my outfit. This romper is from Forever 21. Here are the shoes. Adorable. Ray-Bans. Oh my god, don't forget my keys. Literally yesterday I walked out of the house. Or the house, lol. I walked out of my apartment without my keys. So that was fun. I don't think it will take me 15 minutes. Maybe I should pee first. All right, let me show you better. This romper is like this linen, adorable little romper from Forever 21. Ray-Bans, little slides. Here's the purse, and I'm out the door. It's been a little while. I've just been working and now it's like 7 o'clock. I'm gonna take Brooks out for a little walk. A walk? You wanna go for a walk? I think I might bring him to the dog park near us. There's like a small one that's like okay, and then the ones that I really like are farther away, but I'm just gonna go bring him there. And then, or maybe just a walk around, come back, gym, dinner. And those are my nightly routines. It's just like stuff, work, gym, dinner, skincare, that. Good morning guys, happy Friday. I wanted to show you how my heatless curls came out yesterday. So like I said, my hair was like greasy, so I slicked back the front. Let me get down low. And then I just put it in a ponytail. How cute, right? It's like a little Hollywood curl, nothing crazy. Oh, it smells like weed in the hallway. Anyway, how cute are those pajamas? So cute. Just got ready and did a little TikTok of this makeup. I think today's gonna be like an errands day. I want to be outside, not be in my apartment, get some things done, and hopefully bring Mr. B. Good morning, how are you? Did you sleep well last night? I actually woke up and I had a dream that I accidentally, or not me per se, it was actually Dan, but so we were visiting my parents and Dan woke up early and brought Brooks to the train, and I thought that meant like they were leaving, and I woke up and they were gone. He came back to the house and didn't have Brooks, and I was like, where's Brooks? And he's like, oh, he's on the way back home. And I was like, wait, you just put him on a train and then left him? And then we realized like nobody's on the train with him, nobody's gonna pick him up. Like, I don't even know. It didn't make sense. Anyway, so it's this big kerfuffle of like lost child syndrome. I think maybe it has to do with yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? Yeah, yesterday I was at the dog park and Brooks got like bit. And it wasn't like bad or anything, but he like cried out. He was definitely in pain. He like scratched his eye a little bit, and I was feeling guilty about it, or like not guilty, but I think there definitely maybe there was some like mama bear guilt there. That's just me analyzing my dream. I feel guilty, so I don't want to leave him home today, but I don't want to stay in the apartment, so I think I'm gonna plan a day maybe working somewhere else. It's not too hot for him either, which is nice, so he can be outside a lot. Yeah, let's get dressed, see where the day takes us. I was wearing a cuter outfit, but it's hot. I plan on going a lot of places, and I decided I am bringing B, so I just put on my trusty black Skims t-shirt, these ASOS design jeans, which have like a slit, my New Balances, this white bag, and then I'm gonna put him in his bag. All right, I got his little water bottle. Let's go, little mouse. we're ready to go. Just worked on my computer. Also, let me know if I'm alone in this, but I feel like I'm deaf not. I love pajamas. Ow. Also, those are my couch pillows. Right, I'm being chaotic. Hold on. What was I saying? I love pajamas. I wore these last night, went through my day, and then when I got home, I got back in my pajamas from last night. Let me know if you do that. Also, like, I got in them after I showered last night, then I slept, so they're like not really dirty. I don't find that weird. Anyway, I just worked on my computer and spent like an hour picking off my nails. So it's time to do my nails again. I do my nails at home, literally like my pride and joy. I actually think that I want to get some new colors. I'm loving summer colors lately. I get this light from Amazon. I will link the one I have. And then I use this mini light also from the Amazon set if I want to do like hard gel, which I think I'm going to do a little bit of because my nails have been feeling a little weak. So I want to do a little bit of like a hard gel situation, except they don't stay as long. But these are all my nail colors that I got. And I really like D&D. I get them off their website. They're like so affordable and great. I also love OPI, a little harder to get and way more expensive. And then this is like my little tool section. This is the base that I use and the top I'm gonna use. And then this is the builder that I'm gonna use from this Beatles set, which is where this light comes from. But I need to pick a color, which takes me about a bajillion years. But I'm thinking I just want to do a pink. I might do like a light pink. So that's just kind of what I'm feeling at the moment. Maybe this coral pink. I love Whirly Pop, or brighter pink. No, I'm feeling like a really like light, even like white, even though I just kind of did that. Okay, let me look at the pinks. I'm thinking pinks, because I just did red, then I did blue, and then I did pink. And honestly, those are like the only colors I really do. Unless I'm like going on vacation, then I'll do like an orange or something like that. But I feel like being just like a pink kind of gal. So I'm gonna maybe choose between these, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you how to do it. My nails, I ended up doing a brighter pink color. I really like it, called D&D Violet Pink. All right, and now picked up, or I didn't pick it up, but we got dinner at Dig Inn. Got like a roasted bowl. They're really skimpy on the sauce at Dig Inn, man. Look at that. All right, I got the herb roasted chicken, but they actually didn't have that, so I guess I got the charred chicken. Farro, carrots, and sweet potatoes. Yummy. And then the garlic aioli is the best sauce that they have. I mean, I haven't really tried. I've only tried two, but it's good. The char that you get on the sweet potato is so good. Let's try the charred chicken. What I was. bed, did my skincare. I actually did some tan tonight because long weekend ahead of me. So I did some fake tan and I'm feeling like, I mean, I kind of use this as like my little diary or whatever, but so I wanted to share that today wasn't a great day. I've been feeling really hard on myself today, really kind of down, and I feel like I've just been really hard on myself, especially tonight. I was getting ready that whole time and I could feel myself just like thinking about things and just being really hard on myself in terms of like career, like what am I doing like with myself, and like how can I don't know. I just wanted to share that it was a tough day, a tough night. So I did some things to try to, like I got off my phone, did some skincare, cleaned up a little bit, and I'm gonna just try to be kinder to myself. And today wasn't the best day, but there's still tomorrow. I'm lucky to be alive. I'm lucky to have the life that I do, and I just need to be grateful for it and figure it out along the way, figure it out day by day. I don't need to know everything right now. I think that's a common struggle in your 20s, and like me being 23, I feel like is a really hard age. And yeah, so if anybody else is feeling this way, you're not alone. Being in your 20s or just like being a person is so hard. So that was my little rant, and now I'm going to go to bed and I'll see you tomorrow.